Your present.
It's a Mimic Man.
Mimi so cute. Ayo, Mimi made the Hello Kitty so cute.
Yeah, Shaka.
This your candy, is it? Ah.
Shit. Hello.
Mimi is the center of attraction. Mimi is the center of attraction.
Mimi. Mimi. Why? What happened? What happened? What happened? What you see? What? How come your lollipop is inside? Yes, blow. Correct. Blow.